Enviable Transport started as a tricycle rider. Enviable Transport started as a tricycle rider. And then I had one tricycle, and I wrote Enviable at the back of the tricycle. For us to be giving people the satisfactions they want, we needed to work as a team. We needed other people. If I was working alone, I wouldn't have achieved serving Mr. A and serving Mr. B at the same time under the name Enviable Transport. Why you need to work as a team is increased in productivity. 4 major pillars that you need to grow your team. First of all, number 1, good communication. The second pillar, accountability. So I've talked about communication, talked about accountability, professionalism. The third one, I'm going to send a note.